$4,000 fine up to 6 months in jail, and or a $2,000 fine on the suspended license case. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay. Good morning, Sean.
On May 5th, 2026, in Harris County, officer conducted a traffic stop on a motor vehicle for expired registration. The defendant, the driver, stated that he had a firearm inside the motor vehicle. Driver's license search returned that the defendant was not eligible and had no active insurance on the motor vehicle as well, and then a black handgun was found in the backseat pocket.
Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to drive. Mr. Bugno, I don't care what you have to do in this life. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name, do not drive. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care that you have to work. The baby has to go to the hospital. You drive, you will go to jail. I will revoke both of your bonds. I'm going to have you sign a promise with me today. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to us that you're not going to drive under any circumstance. If you want to drive, go get your license, get insurance, come back to me, show me, and then I will take this restriction off. But if you do, it's just really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Also, as a condition, while this case is open, you're not to be in possession of any weapons as well. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box and we'll get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go.
All right.
No weapons in the driving, please.
Bottom of 12, Luna, come on up.
Good morning, Mr. Luna. So you're charged with discharging a firearm in a metropolitan area. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir.
On May 5th in Harris County, officers dispatched to a discharge of firearm call for service. The reportee viewed males shooting randomly before leaving the area in the vehicle. Officer located the vehicle and detained the two passengers. The defendant was the driver of the vehicle. 3 shell casings were found in a clear cup in the front passenger door. Officers found a clear plastic bag containing marijuana in between the console and the front passenger seat. Witness stated that they heard a sound of a firearm discharged twice coming from a park located across from her residence. The witness saw the defendant standing outside of the vehicle to then get in the passenger side of the vehicle and go to another location. Witness followed them to another location to view the defendant exit the vehicle. Witness captured the video of the vehicle leaving to the nearby trailer, and the vehicle then returned. Witness viewed the defendant exit the side, looked down, and pick up what she believes to be shell casings from the shooting. Defendant then entered the passenger side of the vehicle and left the location again. Witness observed video footage from security cameras where he heard gunshots and showed the defendant leaving and returning to the area of shooting, along with defendant looking around in the ground.
So there's video of him actually shooting.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Luna, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you do either, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? This is not a revolving door. You endanger my city. I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand? How old are you, sir?
17.
We will appoint you a lawyer today, but understand, I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. You have a weapon, you use alcohol or marijuana. You understand me? All right, I'm going to have you sign a reset and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box.
All right, Judge, bottom of 13, Martina.
Oh, there you are. Hey, Ricardo. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Good to see you. It's been a while. Miss Marquina, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On May 6th in Harris County, officer dispatched in reference to a family disturbance. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed bloodshot eyes and strong odor of alcoholic beverage. Complaining witness, the defendant's mother-in-law, stated that the defendant and the complainant's son were drinking when they began arguing. Defendant said she intended to leave the location with her daughter. Complainant told the defendant not to take the child, but the defendant refused. Complainant attempted to remove the child when the defendant struck her on her right arm with a closed fist, causing pain and discomfort. Officer observed the complainant to have swelling on her arm.
Okay, do we know whether she wants to have contact with her or
I
not?
don't believe we do, Judge. We haven't done a recall it.
Okay.
If I may, very briefly, I've spoken to the CW. She wants no protective order. She's not in any kind of fear. She has been speaking to her. She's come over to my client's house to basically make peace and give each other hugs and whatnot. So my understanding, she wants to.
Great. I want them to verify it first, though. Until we do that, Ms. Marquina, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I am going to issue what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Ms. Benitez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate or threat or harass behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. I am also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, I will make your bond high. You understand? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Ricardo. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games, then likewise, I will revoke your bond. For now, we will have you sign all the conditions and orders. It may change later on if they're able to get a hold of her, but at that point, and until we change the orders, no contact, no weapons, no alcohol or illegal drugs, including marijuana. Do you understand? Okay, come on. Thanks for coming.
That's it for now, Judge.
Wonderful. Herman, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
Mr. Rodriguez, I think we have to set the file.
Okay. So no PTI?
It's not locked into you.
It's not, okay.
Obviously,
Where is Mr. Rodriguez here now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming up, Mr. Rodriguez. So this is his, what I'm going to tell him now is this is the
We told him the same.
final, at this point, if we set it, he will go to trial. I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements after this day.
If, and this is an if, in capital letters, if they open tier one, and we'll talk, we heard talk about tier one openings in late May, early June.
I'm not, no.
But let me, I don't know if you know tier one, they dismiss it on the front end. Okay, so would you be amenable, if it'll, we're gonna set it.
What do you mean they dismiss it on the front end?
He doesn't have to do anything. They just, once you enter tier one, the case is dismissed.
I mean, if they dismiss it, they dismiss it,
Okay,
but if
yeah.
you set it for trial,
Yes,
so what offers do you have on the case
it's a
now?
PTI off, tier two.
Got it. So your case is 201 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. I'm not in the business of just continuing to delay. No. If you want to set it for trial, wonderful. I'm happy to do it, but I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after this time. We're not going to set it for trial. You get here, we get a jury here, and then, okay, well, now I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. If we set it, you will go to trial. If they dismiss it, that's on them. I don't care. But if you set it, you will go to trial, kicking or screaming. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I don't want you to make a decision now. I'll have you talk to Herman.
We've talked, and she's talked to my staff, we're comfortable going forward.
Okay, so we'll give you a trial date, 30 days.
Sure.
You got to be here on the day of trial unless they dismiss it, and we'll go from there.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay, all right, please.
Thank you.
I got two other cases if you don't mind. Mr. Judge, I don't think they have PC on Ventura. If we could read it, if you can determine if they have PC or not.
Well, I've already said it let me see if I've done PC. If I've done PC, then I've already done it.
We'll get here again, potentially. I wasn't here for that one before, for his arraignment, Judge. After review.
Okay, go for it.
On March 8th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a traffic hazard call at 9900 Central Parkway. Officer stated that defendant was the sole occupant of the vehicle and asleep behind the wheel. The vehicle was in a moving lane of traffic and officer observed defendant to have bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and vomit on his shirt. Defendant admitted to coming to his cousin's house and driving home. Standard field sobriety from a perfected 6 out of 6 HDN, 2 out of 8 walking turns, 2 out of 4 one-leg stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.149 and 0.142. Officer recovered a firearm from the glove compartment of the vehicle and 2 magazines in the center console.
You know, something, was missing, Judge. The car was off, hold to the touch, no indications of furtherance. They don't know when, if he was operating the vehicle.
He's in a moving lane of traffic.
But the car was off, the key was in his lap. We don't know if someone else drove there.
But that's,
He also admitted to driving.
I think that, I mean, clearly there's enough for PC. Perhaps maybe not beyond a reasonable doubt, but for PC purposes, I think that there's enough.
If I park my car in the street and vomit, and I don't, that's not operation.
You're in a moving lane of traffic. You're by yourself. You've sleeping. You've got vomit on you. They come to you, and I think that there's enough for PC.
Okay.
So we'll just give you a reset.
Sure.
Okay.
Next one is Shangola.
SH?
CH.
Page 4.
Oh, page 4. Okay.
Just needed some guidance from the court. They have indicated that they will not have field sobriety tests video. They don't have them videotaped, or they had it, or they lost it. Yeah, they're not.
Is this your, I think, Sean, this is your case.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
So understanding that the station video we never got, which is where the SFSC were performed.
Was anything done on the scene?
Besides an interview of the defendant outside the car, that's about it. So we're setting it for an eval to see how we're going to proceed with the trial case now.
Okay.
So the proper evaluation, talk to my client, Judge, is it your opinion that if they don't have a station, video of them doing the field sobriety test, what is the court's position?
Well, they have it, but it's at the station.
No,
No, there's no SFSC.
they did
I
it.
thought you said there were SFSTs done at the station.
We don't have the video of them. Apparently they've done, but we don't have the video.
It's pretty weird.
Maybe.
Why?
Not sure.
What would you like me to do?
Well, they shouldn't be, well, the statute requires that my client be entitled to a video of his field sobriety test. Okay.
I'd like to just know what statute is referring to, so we can make sure.
Yeah, I'll find it. I mean, once there's video made, he's entitled to a copy of it.
Sure. But if a video was never made, then it was
The
never
video
made.
was made. They're saying it was made, but somehow they don't know what happened. And I'm not saying it was, obviously it was in the DA's office, but they made a video,
So what would you have me do?
not allowed.
What's the recourse?
Well, I'm not allowed, well, that's what I'm trying to get.
Sure.
I don't think it's unfair to say that the NBA cannot discuss the field sobriety test. What occurred on the field sobriety test, if my client's entitled to a video of that. Remember, we used to go to the DFL.
Sure, of course. No. I understand. What's your response?
So right now, all we know is that there's testing done at Bakery. We don't know if there was a video or not of the SFSTs.
So let's do this. Let's set up for a week because it's already at 160 days old. Reach out to the officer, reach out to admin, reach out to whoever you can to see, hey, was there a video created? If so, where is it? Was it not created? What's going on? Let's regroup in a week, get a solid answer so we know how we can move forward. Let me make again a last ditch effort to see what they cannot recover, and then
Yeah, that's
We'll go
fine.
from there. I understand. I get it.
So guidance on how properly addressing with my client.
I understand absolutely. But I want to know 100% that they either have it, lost it, never created it, and we'll go from there. So let's do a week. I'll waive the appearance in that time. And then in the interim, are they approved? Are they
Well, I think
PTI?
Sean's also gonna look, we outlined, we gave like 4 bullet points of why we don't think there's PC as well.
Got it. Okay. In the interim, let's say just everything falls apart. Or do they need a mitigation pack?
They would not, no, Judge.
No? Okay. All right. We'll see you in a week. Thanks. Are you ready? Hey, good morning, Mr. Boris.
Correct.
Yeah, with a C, right?
Yes. So this is the Pasadena case. They just released all discovery this morning. So-
Don't. Okay. So we'll give you a couple weeks. Yes,
Review all the
absolutely. Yeah.
discovery. Okay. Good.
But it's getting old. At the next setting, be ready to let us know where you want to head toward.
I understand.
Okay.
But it's not on, it's not on.
Well, then
and it's
come-
not on him either, it's just.
Then come to me earlier and I will put pressure on them. If you come to me at 100, I don't care who, if it's Punka City, if you come to me at 140 days and they don't have anything, I'm going to give them a deadline,
Fair.
you know? Yeah. Okay. Keely.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Hi, good
Can you
morning.
hear me all right?
Is
Hey,
that a
good
jail
morning.
case?
No, he's on docket. He should be under Y or O. He's got 2 last
Okay.
names. Or
Okay.
sorry, O or C. Ospina Calderon. The case is, I want to say the case is still very new, less than 30 days old.
Yeah.
We're still missing 911, and I saw that the state attempted a RIP, but the CW is a Spanish speaker, so they will need to get a translator to conduct the RIP. Judge, so if you'll recall, you had us come back and had his appearance not waived because you wanted him to resubmit a financial affidavit. I'm not sure what the status of that is. I'm not in the courtroom, obviously.
I'll call
I
him up
don't-
here in a
I don't know
second.
how you want to. Okay.
Ospina. Okay.
Use all files here that look like it's all right. That's the all. Yeah, there's tons of stuff, certificates, you know, all the way around. It's all. Yeah, that green shield means it is viewed by you, it was released 319. Exactly, yeah. And you can see that there's anything that went on. Yeah. So good, download So you see, you said, he's in here, there's a point for 2. Yeah. Well, you, anyone, in front of you. Yes, they could have a this will be very anyway, okay. It's okay. No, I mean, we can work something out. Okay. All right. Unless if they sure you are just here's like a little bit of y'all always put things that are obviously the voice to make like like those are the guys.
That would
I was search for something over that mo. If you want to do another day.
Mr. Chen? It's what? All that sort of.
Yes, you got a chart that.
Hey, Louis, I'm gonna need to borrow you for 1 second.
Martina?
Ospina Calderon. Huh? He didn't check in. Got it. He didn't check in.
Judge, I am texting him and I sent him a reminder. I told him I was going to appear
Just
virtually.
be
Let me reach out to
careful.
him.
Be careful, Keely, you know?
Driving, yeah. Let me reach back out to him, Judge, but he should be there. He's perhaps in the hallway. Let me just reach out to him briefly. Judge, Judge, I am circling back on Mr. Ospina. It appears that there was a misunderstanding. He's not in court today. If we could have him rolled over to tomorrow, I can be there in person and approach with you.
He knows exactly what happened, what he wants, no.
Judge, like I said, the misunderstanding was on my end.
It's not a
I see the text
misunderstanding.
messages.
No. It's not. But just go and we'll see if he shows up and then I'll reach out to you if he does.
Okay, I am reaching out to him now, see if he can make it to court before you wrap up docket. But I do have good contact with him. I see the text message thread where we informed him that we thought he had been reset to June. So that was really on my end, not on him. Thank you, Judge.
I guess just, yeah, I'm revoking his bond though. So,
Okay, give me a sec, Judge.
yeah, okay, I guess we'll reach out to you or just let me know.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right, have a safe drive.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. Mr. Bailey, yeah.
And the judge, I have Mr. Gilbert on your dog. I know you pulled it to me, I came in a little bit late, right as I slept bench. I'm sure the court is on the list.
I remember, he's refusing to do it. Yeah, okay.
That's right, Your Honor. He is, I don't know exactly, right? So maybe the court can provide help. So with previous time served, he guys, I understand. It does have, all right, I go for we've been around 70 days. So he's working on that next.
How many days it cost?
70.
No.
Don't.
Salem. Yeah, plus. I think Salem's around. Let me go. You guys have 6 Okay, well, I didn't know he had that much time. Okay, so I guess do,
Are we okay?
yeah, do 150 credit for both.
Okay.
That should be sufficient. Yeah,
Thank you.
okay.
I appreciate it.
I didn't realize, I thought he had,
He didn't get that. Thank you.
hi, good morning, Mr. Jaworski.
Last name McClung, man. Villarreal.
Okay. Where we headed?
I've got to discovery. It's a real weird fact situation. And then, I must set up for trial.
Okay, so I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to get here 45, 6 days later and, oh, now I want to do something
No,
different.
you-
So you
no.
said it, we're gonna go. Villarreal, come up.
Council for recess?
Mr. Villarreal, I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more, really. If you want to set it for trial, I'm happy to do it, but today's your plea bargain deadline. Once we set it, you will go to trial kicking or screaming. I don't care. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after today. I don't want everybody to have to prepare for trial, bring a jury in, and, oh, you know what? I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. You said it, happy to do it, but you will go to trial. I don't want you to make a decision now. You guys can speak, make a decision, but if we said it, you will go. No more plea bargains agreements after today. All right? Okay, you guys make the decision. Let me know. If you want to set it, just go talk to Ramon and we'll set it.
Okay.
All right. Hi, Corey. What's up, man?
I have, 10 homes.
Okay,
I'm over 178 days old.
yeah. Where do you want to go? Where are we going?
So, we're waiting on some restitution information to plan. I'll be frank, this is not home. I haven't been pushing her to get this information. I've been tied up with.
But you don't have to. They should be doing it regardless.
I'm trying to be collaborative.
And she said that they were these were covered by insurance, but she didn't have the.
I know, but she still has a deductible.
Yeah, and I've asked her to send me the deductible. She hasn't sent it to me yet.
So do this. Let's do a week and go, you can either give it to me within the next reset. If not, we're going forward and you get nothing. But we're not going to wait. It's 180 days. You either get it now. It takes literally all of 2 seconds to send a damn email. So next week, if it's not here, that's it. Do you have an offer on the case?
I have an offer pending restitution probation offer.
Okay, so have an offer ready to go by the next setting. Let's have your client here, make a decision, and we'll go from there.
Can I give him, because with his work schedule, can I give him more than a week's notice on you need to be in court? We do a couple.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. 2 weeks, let him know he's got to be here and we'll go from there.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Judge, what's this? You're gonna try?
Yeah, next setting is pre-trial. They're getting a restitution amount. They don't have it yet, so. Hi, Dan, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Judge, so I'm here today, I'm covering a case. The defendant's name is Marcus Oliver. He was arraigned in setting today. Now, he was arrested on the 6th of this month. He spoke with our law firm on the 8th. When he spoke with our law firm, he met with an intake attorney who's primarily out of Boston, who gave us incorrect information that if he hired us and we filed a notice of appearance, he wouldn't actually be present. That is.
Oh, he needs to be here.
So I know he needs to.
So he's not here.
He's not here, he's in Maine. And
No.
I know.
Not good. So I tell you what, I'll give you until Monday. It's got to be here by
Can
Monday.
we give him 2 weeks, Judge? That's
No,
what-
no, it's a DWI and he needs conditions. It's gotta, I'm not giving him 2 weeks. He knows, he has a piece of paper that tells him that he's supposed to be here.
I understood, Judge, but it is our.
Pick a
call
day.
that we-
I get it. Pick a day next week. And let him know he's got to be here. If he's not here, then, all right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, it was someone else. It's someone else. It's not me. Hey, Dan,
Yes, Judge.
he has a Houston address here.
Right, Judge. So I have an employment letter. So he works for an industrial company and he's on a project in Maine and he can.
You have proof that he's actually there now, that he's,
So
employed there?
This is from his employer. We have him to send, some verification from his employer. So this is from Stronghold Company is where he works. And this is the letter that they sent her everything. Sent. So
okay.
And so he told our office that he gets his paycheck in 2 weeks, he can come down and he
No, look at this criminal history, man. It's, I mean, dangerous, extensive, a week. He's got to be here within a week.
I understand your honor.
Yeah.
And the only reason that it's our fault, but
Well, and whoever told him this should know better. That you never override a court order. You, as a lawyer, can never override a court order. I mean, it's,
understood, Judge. I know practices are different in some counties, but I understand.
and it's just you just need to be here the first damn setting. That's all you got. That's all we need. I'm not asking, you know what I mean?
I think if he would spoke with someone in Houston, we would be here. This is where we are. I'll tell him he has to leave.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Hi. Hey, Glenn. What's up, man?
Mr. Lucky.
Yeah, I saw it. So is where are we with the PTI?
Everything's set to go.
Okay.
They don't want him into the program until he has the restricted driver's license.
I'll grant it for you now,
Okay.
but he's going into the program, correct? Got it. Okay,
Everything's turned in, it's all done.
okay, I'll grant it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just, she'll bring it out and then I'll sign it.
Okay, do I need to go talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just, email her.
Got it.
Sixteen, 17. Let's do the site. Even though we see that that's, it was those things that we were, we have, even if it's not, One week. I'm gonna have a case with you.
Okay.
253.
Okay.
7686.
What do you pick up? Oh my God. It's aggravating.
It was against his ex-girlfriend's. The
10.3. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. Hi. Yes. Wow, it's been a while. How are you, Sylvia? How are things?
I just came for a video VIP to make it for myself. It was
Sure.
But I just wanted to say hi.
Great to see you. Yeah, yeah. Are you working on a different floor or where? No more?
I'm doing a little bit more of immigration. Probably I'm going to try picking up some more felonies. The mic thing.
I get it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't see you that often, but it's always nice to be.
Yeah. Well, good to see you.
Good to see you too, sir. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Bye.
Okay. Hi, Kobe. How are you, man?
Mr. Desmond Lundy today, you guys know, he's on practice, not been bringing on, you know, see him. Just on the docket, because you're going into your jobs, we're kind of come back and update on that. Couple things, Mr. Lundy's a little bit special. Any jobs that he would do, probably do manual labor type jobs. He's been, still got smoke records from oil harming. He's had severe gout. He's a gout sufferer. I understand if you guys do manual work, that's gonna make it hard. What we did do, because he hasn't gotten a job, we tried to apply and apply time. We got him into a GV program, seen that.
Wonderful.
So he's working on that. I told him, at least that would give him another, maybe get a job if he completes that. So I've seen that. He's registered. His brother comes up here, working with him a lot. I mean, working with his brother, getting in classes. So he's doing that with the hopes that once he finishes the easy, you know, doing that job. So we had hoped that that would be sufficient.
That's good. Good. I'm happy that he's doing that. That's nice. Just tell him to keep it up and I want to see the light at the end.
I'm working with him, trying to get him to.
I understand. I trust you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, friend.
Mr. DeVos, you have a brand new. They have another case that has a 700. I think the oldest is the.
Sure. Let me check on that and see what's going on.
Hi, Joe.
Just trying to make sure. Here, so I got to refile. I got a text from a lawyer that never I think that's what that's going to be. This is why I'm something. This is the.
Okay.
Okay, let me check and confirm that, but that's my understanding.
Please check and talk to us. Yes. Okay, those color in the sign for me. This was. Lovely. And I'm not going to amend it. Yes, something to that. I spent and then a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an accident. Yes, it does.
Did they tell us the restitution?
No, it's a kid.
But she did something.
That's how much they. No, I think it was good. But I just. Followed up with her.
Legally, if I have to focus that in on the metal phone.
Check it out and see what's in.
Here or somewhere else now? DWI. We were actually. I thought it was. Yeah, that, I said for a bet. So the whole time. Yeah. On that, I should check it out.
Yeah, just like the double drink.
Yeah, there's one small part, water runs back. It's spraying. It's small mistake. You leave my copy this year. Hopefully they have this.
Here, I'll take it. Fine.
I want to introduce you to one of my new colleagues, Mr.
Hello, hi, nice to meet you. Pleasure. Are you interpret as well? Oh, great. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're in good hands.
Well, as a matter of fact, Lisa and I have worked together, and also we attended classes together online, the continuing interpretation.
Oh, nice.
Right on.
Like the four, speaks like 7 languages now.
Wow.
Yeah, but although I only interpret in Spanish, English because of the complexity of the task. So I don't know how to say motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim in German, for example. In Spanish, I can use that fighting.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Más importante, no, por el país. No, right there, that's important. Okay, if you. Okay.
Source coding and the other one that costs.
I it's just so they do. Does he have and more tax or
Judge Maverick. They're saying that one of the 2 boxes needs to be checked.
Sure.
I don't know what they want. I mean, it says the court finds, I'm not saying that he's either going to come to say he knows me, he's on medication. We just have serious questions.
I'll do it for you then. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll take care of it for you.
I don't want to.
He's currently in custody?
He's in custody, $2,500 bond.
I remember him. Yeah. Okay, I'll take care of it.
Thanks.
Thank you. You bet. Wow. What's up? I feel you. Did you ever follow that, the murder case out of South Carolina, where he was accused of the wife and the son? They just overturned the murder conviction today. Yeah.
Wow.
He's still serving a 40-year sentence because he, he's a lawyer who admittedly, like, I guess, took from clients and they charged him federally and got a 40-year sentence. But well, I don't know if they're going to retry him, but they just overturned the murder conviction, which is huge because that was.
Yeah, my daughter watched it. Special.
Yeah, I did too. And it was just, my wife and I did too. And I think
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I guess the clerk had a profound impact, what they said on the jurors. So we'll see if they redo it, Because I don't know, on a federal sentence, how much do you do? Do you do 2/3? What, I don't know. Yeah, yeah.
I'll tell you over there. What's
Clyde, does she have the documents she needed to sign it?
There was one typo and she's fixing that. And it's all,
Okay.
she's right back.
Yeah, and this is the court
We're just laughing because you have a. Almost look at ours in trial with Margaret Harris, there's just smiling like that, you are about to be held in contempt.
I know, I know.
I tried, you know what? I tried 3 cases with her and I almost got a fair trial.
Yeah.
I tried cases with, oh man, I did all of them.
Yes.
The one I really didn't. I'm live streaming, so we'll talk about it later, but there was one particular judge that I tried a case in front of him, like mid-trial, he just starts helping the opposition and just saying, well, this is how you need to do this. Is in the middle of the trial. I'm like, what? But other than that, I mean, I always got.
Guess what it was?
Um,
I had a song.
but everyone else, I really had a great experience with, always spares, except for that one, but.
Yes.
She always gave me first call, and I.
Oh, wow. You were around that?
Yeah.
Wow. How long have you been practicing? 30?
20. Well, yeah.
Wow.
The funny section.
I guess I started right when maybe she had gotten elected. Or maybe she had done one term and then, I didn't start till early 2000. That's when I started. So I don't, she was on here at least 20 something years. I don't know. But thanks.
You read that or start ours. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. All right, is discovered.
Yeah.
Guys are living offers.
Well, there's going to ponder everything we get a conclusion with the certificate of IIP. Where am I putting the marinade on the meat?
Okay, how is June 23rd and the 25th?
June 23rd is good.
All right, it'll be a wait to go.
Let's see. Yeah.
Do we know anyone in trial? Is anyone in trial, do you know? Yeah. Remember Marcelo wanted to know if anyone was in trial?
Oh, I'm not sure if there's going on anywhere else.
They're not those people. One of the guys, big one, he's gonna prove and most of the property, Roberts, not a big deal. He doesn't partnership, not working together. Now, with the next guy.
Yes.
So it's great. You're on the man for very, very good.
Hey, Michael.
So I'm here on the restore and all. Whenever you're ready, I'll do it.
Yeah.
2617-634, and that's for Robert or Stephen Robbins.
2617.
63.
Okay.
I believe the state is unopposed to the return.
Does he have proof that he had bought the
He
gun?
bought it from Spring Guns and Ammo.
Robert, does he provide proof?
I can get a receipt.
Yeah,
Let me
because I've given a gun back before and it went back to the wrong person and it was a complete and utter nightmare.
I understand.
So if I will grant it for you, but I need just to
Let me
know
get
that
that.
it's
Let me-
actually his, that he
It
bought
is,
it with the serial number matching, and then, yeah, I'm happy to give it to you.
No
But yes, I will.
Let me give him a call and get that
Sure.
receipt real quick, and
Yeah.
I'll,
Of course.
that and say, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
We have a court board or the laws that are currently shot.
Say it again. 2 and 4? Great. Awesome, thanks.
And this whole.
Sorry, 269.
House, third of most meetings. Or all that fancy. And they're all three different. Oh, no. Two glasses. Oh, right, it'll be a list of parents. We're just something very important. Two one, and one is, 2000.
That's right. So I was told it's only one area, so there was the key like that building new flowers and museum. That's what I should go. Yes, I did. You have, this was just, I was just, every file has been done. So, you know, we got all those others that were probably about gravity. We saw all the, that was all case. So, all over, our list of whatever now. That's the problem. That maybe get just started with certain, the way they did it, that makes sure I had it.
I mean, but I'm assuming how it's dismissed that other one. Maybe like the hell lawyer can dismiss this email and get it without students seeing. They're playing all this for something. There's the additional.
Yes.
He was in space. Yeah, but he's. I think it's all the same. So what either the, maybe not the other guy. We found that it was down here. It's just all about a building lawyer. I never discussed it. But I think it looks like it's not dismissed yet. Yeah, sometimes they wait until it actually gets filed here. They're dismissed. They have to sell in train. Yes, you could check. But they're gonna dismiss on like we should probably not bought it out now. She will have that $30,000. Oh, you owned it. Okay. Make sure we don't do it. So, but my understanding, that's where it's they are stuff. Okay. Thank you. There.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
What are you looking for? Big shit. That's friend, a lot of that. She has priorities against that and sold.
Certain expectations about it. All right. Cool. We had a question on that. Okay, so they should bond that she's going to go away. They bond.
Old shit.
James House, a long way to say that. I think these two plays that. I think her attention is still younger. Maybe she doesn't know their ability to.
Your Honor, very, very quickly, I have the receipt and his name is.
Yeah.
Did you verify it's the same serial number in the gun?
I just got those emails now, Judge. I have looked over.
Can you check real quick?
Yes.
As long as they can verify it, I'm cool.
The serial number is on the.
Michael, if it matches, I'm cool. Okay, just I want them to be able to cook. What's up?
Okay.
You have someone else?
So I have Miss Granberry.
In jail or bond?
She's in jail. There's a summons. We had a felony impeding breath that looks like it's going to be dismissed. They have refiled it as a misdemeanor and done that via summons. So in custody, just because she hadn't made bonds on any of her cases.
Okay.
But there won't be those felony bond conditions because that case is going to be going away. And so we'll be dealing with it as just
We need to set a bond then.
So you'll need to, well, I guess if they've done it via summons, that was my question. Is it?
The thing is that.
Transfer the bond? Like,
Well, no. The thing is that yes, theoretically you don't have to, but if she does bond out,
Sure.
if she ever gets pulled over and an officer ever stops her, it's going to show, it's going to look like,
I understand.
you know,
And so I'm happy to have that conversation. So a couple of things to know about her. She does have in total bonds for all the other cases because there's $10,000 in the VPO.
yeah.
And so $40,000. She had never made that. Her parents were from Memphis and they were trying to get that together. Obviously, I'd leave it to you as to what kind of bond you wanted to set. I do think she'll be able to bond out now if it's not something like $40,000.
No, I'm not gonna say that, obviously at 40 grand, but I'm at least 5 grand. I think would be sufficient. Yeah. What do you think? Are you okay with that?
I think 5,000.
Okay, so let's set it at 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,005. I need, and then Veronica, can I have a PSR, please?
And then in terms of bond conditions, just so you know, she has no problem not having any contact with this woman. We won't like.
Yeah, so, right, who is the CW again?
It's her ex-girlfriend.
So no contact, we'll put a GPS prior to release, no going to where she lives, works, alcohol, dope, and, okay, cool. Well, she's there now.
She's in.
We'll bring her out momentarily once we create everything, have her sign it, and then, yeah, you're good. So just whatever day you want. I don't care, whatever you want. Yeah.
Pre-trial judge? Or is that your state?
No, it's pre-trial, because she can be monitored. Yeah, okay, have fun.
That's so.
We have a 40 car on that.
Yeah.
I suppose it is so. Say,
So that could become. Yes.
Hey, you know, I was thinking, what probably be prudent too is to do a TRS, just to see how to go forward, what's going on with her life. We can expedite it, get it done as quick as possible. That way she's just not singing, but lingering. And then maybe within the next week or two, we can try to, so she doesn't just sit there, Yeah, okay.
Veronica, is it for all? I just, she already has the inside. Okay.
It's on the VPO. Yeah, I'd like to also add it on the AFM in the event that there's an issue,
Problem with that, OR is not the available, they're gonna confirm.
Okay, you want to come tomorrow?
I'm going out of town tomorrow, but I'll be
You can
back.
Zoom.
Oh, that'll work.
That's why we have it.
That'll work.
Just to make your life easier, Michael.
All right, no problem.
Just for your ease and comfort and access.
I like coming in. I'm an old fashioned kind of guy. I wish they'd see me back paper files.
No,
Yeah.
no. I mean, really, how many trees are we gonna kill, right? No.
This is the myth of American forestry. We actually have more trees today than we did in 1900. So, and we also get very
But
little.
that doesn't justify,
We
does
also
it?
get very little of our oxygen from trees. Most of it actually comes from the ocean, from algae and plankton.
I have a lot in my pool, so
I mean, I do.
giving you
I
a
do-
ton of oxygen right
I
now.
do like oxygen. It is like on my fourth or fifth favorite days. All right, thank you.
All right, bye.
And take care.
Yeah.
yes, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
You know, yeah, it's just that, back to this, the other day, and that's a lot of time. Back in like, all right, you should be good. Should be running into contract, so check with everybody else involved. But you're good on mine. Okay.
So the order has been filed on this.
Great, we'll sign it.
Unless I get this. If you said they can.
You have it.
I guess,
Who cares? That's interesting. I know, yeah, I did mine. You are having with so they try to do this so far. In photos, reads. There's no. Yes, sir. That's up. Yeah, there's a, we're doing the. Yeah. No, no, no. Yes. What's the cost? This is it.
You applied.
July, okay. Right. Yeah, so RDA, so you are looking for. Okay. Yeah, involved also these all previous and all the last things like that. Let me talk about your cleaning. Conversation is how you usually go. There is extras on our days is made, but I mean, it's like. It is.
So much to ask for internet that freaking works. I mean, what the flip? I mean, give us our own damn network. I can't even connect. God. It's like with the Flintstones here. It's really.
Was he involved? He was. He's like Brucey. Yeah, he does somewhere else.
Another state, another county.
That was the, was where we began that on. Yeah. Look for.
Oh, and he's in Ghost, ag, pretty good.
But he's still there. He's not in the process. We're here in Bridgetown. So I don't know if Bond is here or what happened. I don't represent the gal.
Mr. Bella.
We represent the number. They sent you what school? They from? You're so. So my original argument too, would be something that sounds like great fun for them. Something else.
Okay.
Yeah. But there's. Really. Oh, you took it for.
Second.
That's it. Yeah. They've already. One for here, blue one. Oh, but I would already, I won't be able to prove this all thing, and then when it's started, and officer down because it's really. I was really from a problem with this.
No, it's this. What did you, wait, he does not.
Yeah, I'm not sure that.
Oh, that's this one.
This one's also from this one.
That was for sure. Maybe it was a resort that I filled in instead, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, actually.
Oh, all right, fine.
Excellent. And this way,
Apologies, so.
How about or not?
No, it's not, no.
Well, how about? That's a choice, I mean, would I can get it, please?
you do request a complaint about this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you have a second one that's.
Thank you.
Or do we approach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with trespass and criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 150 days on each of your cases with 74 days credit. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty on each of the cases. I'll sentence you to it. Okay? Please see the clerk. Got it. Stuart.
Yes, sir.
Just give me your cell phone. If you're waiting for someone, just give it to me and then I'll reach out to you. Oh, okay. All right. If you're waiting something here, just give us your cell phone. Just
I'm
go.
on intake today, so I was.
That way you don't. Okay. All right.
How you doing today, Jeff?
Good. Any day we're here with you, you know?
Yeah. All right.
You got another hand in the county. Okay. You have a problem? Yeah, but it's not always easy.
Yeah, you think?
Me, I'm the on hand. Straight. 1952 324. See that bar? What's up? Mark B. Okay. So I'm looking at the Indian other than Mark B. He's failed done the underscores. He's failed to below several times. Failed to do outpatient. That's got a lot of things violations. So he's still for the RP. What is he? I mean, if he's been in custody for a minute, how much credit did he have? He probably resolved his case with depending on what credit he has. It's all yeah, might work out better for him. That way he's not on probation. I'll look at it. You'll all be maybe see if he likes your idea, but you're fine. Thanks. So 70. Felony case, he's got hundreds of forms not paid. So in the inspection, if you get fired, I assume your guy he paid his bond on the probation case. Probably bonded out. He's supposed to technically get credit for the time he's been. Possibly because he was charged February 14th. Solution is filed. The guy was the bottom third, never bonded out, Social Security officer. So he's got what that is. Right. Yeah, we just it's like it's just located that number. Okay, all right. Listen.
Okay, I'll stay and.
Oh, that's actually fully functional. Okay. Yeah. I always had a fascinating deal. Ground guard. Let's see, driver search force. Yeah. Okay. I will have to do that. Thank you. Rob Darden is not on speech. Rob Darden. Darden, yeah. No, Out the key. Sure. Is there? Yes. Did it over time? We have a great version. They should be off. They operate separately. Or you want.
Yeah, I'm not ready.
Class B appeal, like, I don't know why he didn't show up today. I don't know if there was a mix up with the office.
Are you representing him?
Yeah,
Did you file it?
no.
How would you get appointed on a
I
class
didn't get
B?
appointed ever.
You retained them.
Attorney I work with does them, and then he contracts with me.
Okay.
Handling that.
What's the last name?
Darden.
What's the last name?
Darden. D-A-R. But he, for some reason, is not here today.
Yeah, that's no good.
Yeah, I know.
I guess pick a day later this week for him to appear,
Friday,
SFBF. Sure.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't care, whatever
I'm here,
day, but
okay.
if he's not here, then tell him it gets revoked.
Okay, what day do you want?
I don't care. You
Friday.
choose.
Friday.
Whatever you want.
I'm gonna try to have him do this like. Okay. Well.
Yeah. All right, you have anything else?
And, yeah, man. Luckily, I had other stuff. Alright, okay, come on. Hey, bro. Alright, yeah.
Into the plans of discoveries complete and thinking of the. Okay, so. I should look through Is that possible? I mean, I have mentioned the things. Oh, yeah. Just an approach. Think about it. Just an approach. Have you approached Judge?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi.
Nicholas Roberts, are you down here?
Jail?
No, here's the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So there's a ton of surveillance videos in this case, Your Honor. We're just still working our way through it, so I just wanted to approach them. I think there might
Is
be.
discovery complete?
It looks like it is complete. I'd have to look through all the discovery. We have a bunch of videos in and have to look through and make sure they have all the surveillance.
My co-counsel thought there might be one phone video, but it's that I don't see, but I haven't made my way through everything.
Got it. I mean, you're at 150 days. You only get one more setting.
Yeah, I
That's
think
it.
this is only our second set, we just started off. So I think you might
I
have.
get it. It's still pretty old.
No problem.
Let me see. When did you guys? Yeah, you've been on it since February. Okay, I'm gonna give you another 30 days, but at that setting, he's gotta be back. Put an offer on the case and just be ready. Okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Here's one of them.
Okay, so that's all last time, decent case. Let's say that it's trying to get attorneys.
I didn't want to what.
Yes, that's very. Yeah, if you ever see. I love Yes, yeah, there's a super new one, right? Walmart and that's still there now. What we need that. But I think so this is, you know, I understand that the hawk, the writing around is once you stay on. Or that is separate.
We have so many. Oh, there's one. That always say that. I do that's what you do. I'm going I would need more.
You don't understand me, it's different day. Oh. Okay.
It's in a lot. Okay.
Yeah. Do they charge you that? And those last two.
Hey,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up?
I'm gonna see if I can move an arraignment. It's not a DWI. Have it tomorrow to Monday.
What is it? What's the cost number?
Constitution.
What's your cost number?
It is 2618793.
Yeah, I'm down.
Thank you,
Okay,
Your Honor.
for sure.
I have to be in Fort Bend. I don't know how long.
Don't worry about
I'll be there.
it. You're
Thank you,
good.
sir.
No, don't worry about it.
Thank you, I appreciate
These
that.
steps, you almost. Everybody got that.
I think it's all.
Yeah. They sometimes like.
Let's take it. Okay.
So he gave me more choice. And one last came back, so he was pretty ornery, aggressive with the officer as well. I think he got me. Not sure if you'll be able to push that on. But we do this at this meeting, just for. Oh, it was the last came back, the 17 very, but also the need to looked up and how long it was. And there's this time and it is, I think, 2 days.
Well, he's got a 33.
That's the residual. Stage. It's going to have the site of absolutely good. Now, let me
Blood compounded with alcohol in the blood and benzo.
Well, I think I like to pay around that. And this is the. You take some well, you do the bar.
I guess the argument is to not get straight.
It was years ago.
Yeah. One of the, they actually say for this, for the week after, right on. And she was.
What is your?
I only so. But I also know.
All right.
One thing you had said, I think she told us that.
And then the last thing is just gonna be.
If I, and Sean, have you seen?
Oh, I see.
Sorry.
Oh,
really?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Easy going, man. Easy go. Yeah. Easy go. Good job. All right.
Still work with college.
Okay. That's okay.
Always see. Like,
That's a lot.
So I got the fiction back. They thought they had a set about.
I have some of those kids, hurry, burn, and that's like, just, yeah, and literally all of like a minute.
Yeah.
Burn and listen.
if you want. Yeah, no, we don't.
Because the states are looking up there, maybe I'll show you what's good. They come out, like I said. There's some chickies, not like. Some.
Is it? I don't like. I know, right?
And so we put the kid to get light and try to the job. So they'll have this eviction machine. You know, for that much. Even like from me, they don't want to tell them that come over.
Okay.
But I.
You know, Yeah. Ooh, that's burning up. I say, yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Hey, Carl, what's up?
Yeah, I mean, if you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready when you are. Yeah.
You give me
Right. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Was there any restitution that's owed? Do you know, is there any restitution that is owed?
No, Judge.
All right. So like I said, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You need to understand something extremely important, that what you're doing now is you're making a lifetime decision where this theft will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you have another one and now you have this one, that makes two. A third, you're looking at a felony offense years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes.
Not only that, you pick up another case in here, you're looking at 90-day at a minimum. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, then you can never take this off. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the office of theft? Guilty or not guilty? Where is this from?
Old Navy.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm going to find that there's enough to go forward, find you guilty, send you to it. Good luck to you, ma'am. Please see the clerk. All right. Good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Hey, what's up?
Mr. McDaniel, you got
Okay.
Judge, it's PTI, but I think yours in Louisiana, and so the terms are a little bit different, and I need to reach out to sheriffs.
But it's 266 days.
I understand. They sent us an email saying they let him on for the last because he goes offshore. But then they said he's got something as driving affidavit, and he hasn't had a license, rather than two devices or.
Sure. Fine. I'll pick a day next week, whatever day you want. But
I understand, but I just gotta get that paid.
Okay.
I'll make sure it gets done by next week.
All right. Victoria, on top of 14, one week must appear. Yeah, okay. Hey, Bo, what's up, man?
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
What's up?
Not much, Your Honor. I just have one client on your docket. It's Kenneth Aparicio Franco. I was just saying, if I could get a reset on him, please. It's in the early stages still.
Yes, you're at 170 days though, so we got to know where we're heading.
We'll be working this out soon, Your Honor.
You don't know PTI or do you want a PTI?
I got to see if he'll qualify because there's some other circumstances with it. So I'm going to check with him if they will accept it.
NCIC real quick. I'm gonna figure it out for you right now, Bo.
Yes, sir.
Based on the facts.
Yeah, but no, look at the history, if there's any criminal history. I think that may be the issue.
Does have a PCS from last year out of Hallettsville.
Is that it?
That's it.
So I don't think you have any, well, I don't want to say it, but is he, what do you think?
Because he has the open case, Your Honor, in Hallettsville. It's a PCS.
Yeah.
It's open, and then the accident. So that was just my biggest concern.
Oh, it's currently open.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
That would be John Lawson. No. Okay. So,
we're talking about Aparicio.
okay, what are we talking about?
He has an open PCS in somewhere else.
Okay, do we know if it's in Ridgewood? It's in Hallettsville.
It's in Hallettsville.
I see. I don't know where that is.
Yeah, me neither.
It's like an hour southwest of San Antonio.
Okay.
What is your opinion on PTI?
I mean, I consider anyone. Is he in custody in that place?
No, he's on bond. He's a college student at Texas State.
Okay.
So maybe need a mitigation packet then?
I definitely need a mitigation packet. I'll consider him. Did he pick up that case while on bond?
Yeah.
Okay, so have to be a really good mitigation packet.
I understand.
Typically, if somebody's picking up criminal cases while they're on bond,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't have a good feeling
So
about.
regardless, though, you're at 166 days, so I'm gonna set you off for 2.5 weeks. And then
Okay.
he's gotta be here at the next setting. If you wanna apply for PTI, he's gotta have everything done.
Yes, sir.
And then he's gotta submit it by the next setting. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
That's it, though. At
Okay.
that setting, he either must come here, take care of it, we set up a trial, or he's gotta apply for PTI and have it turned in,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Okay.
Bottom of page 1. Hey, Discovery's complete, right? On Aparicio? So 3 weeks. Clear trial at the next setting. If they want to apply for PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next setting. June 2nd to the 4th, Bo. You're muted.
Just a second, Your Honor.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have
Have a good
fun.
one. You too.
What day was it?
Second.
Okay, got it. Oh.
Jail credit.
I have a couple of calls numbers.
Did you just? I'm the one that did it. Alright, so we're gonna.
Yeah, I signed your motion to
Thanks,
second.
Judge. Appreciate it.
That's it. Okay, have fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good afternoon.
Do you know if 2 or 9 are in trial?
I saw it, no, you said, but that was news to me. Oh, well, I think you're 10, but I think Jerry's was looking for 17.
Legally, you can say. It's still. I know. It's weird.
Yeah.
So. People see like I
just texted one. I just said it again.
Also, the jurors were already.
Oh, wonderful. I just texted Juanita. Ms. Harris, Ms. Harris, hi. It looks like court 2 might be going to trial soon. So if you guys have any interest. Thank you.
Court 3, I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, court 3 is also about to start.
Really?
Johnson, is that, am I crazy?
That's right.
It's
Yes.
just about to.
So if you're looking for trials, 2 and 3. Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning.
We don't have much going on here now because it's already 11 o'clock,
That's
but,
okay, Judge. So they were decided to leave this, I think, years ago.
oh.
Yes,
Say hi.
some of them could say they see you on TV.
Oh.
So, yeah, they. Thank you, Your Honor.
I got it.
Thank you.
So where you guys go to school? Where? Wisdom High School. Great. It's a small thing. It's so much. There's no responsibility. It's the only thing you have to do. It's just go to school and study. I mean, really doesn't get to when you get older, like, there's so much like getting in the way of everything. There's so many things I want to do that I can't. Obligations, I gotta work.
Let you know, no alcohol.
Anyways. What do you do? Usually the assholes for the next 40
It's doing it.
The more you study, the more you learn, the farther you go to school, the more this you're gonna have later in life, and you get to do fun things.
Oh, you're gonna, oh, sorry.
In some ways, right? But rich is, it depends on what you value, right? Some people value money, some people value knowledge, some people value houses, some people value cars. And I know people that have a Ferrari, but they live in an apartment. And I know people that live in a huge mansion and then they try to jalopy. So it's what you want. And I know people who just work so they can travel. They're always going to, Vietnam, they're going to Greece, they're going to this. But it all starts where you ask for that. The more school you do, the more you go, the better you are in life. You will always have an obstacle. Someone's going to tell you, do this, do that, where you know that it's not a good idea, but you're your own person, just decide what you gotta do. Here, we handle misdemeanor cases, so it can get us to one of the lower level cases, like assault, God, trespass, where you shoot a gun, something like this, that we come here. Anything where you're supposed to be here in jail or less, you come here to one of our, I am one of 16 here, county criminals. There's 2 types of charges, just felonies and misdemeanor. The difference on how much time you're facing. Anything a year or above the felony, a year and under is the misdemeanor. So that's what we do. We have all kinds on a daily basis. We have 60, 70, maybe up to 100 cases a day. So we're really moving fast. Anyone have any questions? Anyone? No one? We have an open door policy. If you guys ever want to come, hang out, we're happy to have you. The fun days that we have here are called arraignment days. We'll have people coming on their first setting. That's usually on a Monday, on Friday, where we have the most people that come in and you get to hear what happened on the days. Whether someone's picked up in charge while on bond, or they have bond violations, and they might get a problem or not. But there are some trials going on now. If you guys are interested in watching.
My God, we like a group picture, please.
Yes, absolutely. Come on.
Thank you.
Yeah. I believe I
guess they felt when it's just kind of like. Well, yeah, you about to do the picture.
Okay. I'm gonna do it up here.
However you want, you tell me.
You can there.
Right here's okay.
Yeah.
It's on one side. Okay, where's the gavel you're on?
Oh, right here.
May one of the students hold the gavel?
It's really heavy. Here,
Okay.
it's really heavy.
So, do we have enough room for one more student?
Sure.
Okay, one more, who's going? Okay. All right, scoot in, Frank.
This is heavy.
Okay.
It is?
All right, okay, thank you.
Come on. Yeah, sure.
It's not like how live in your mom's point of view. There's no indication at all that it's hard to justify.
I'll let you guys.
Okay, you all ready?
For that, I'll call.
Okay, thank you so much.
I don't use it. Someone just gave it.
How old is that? You know?
I have no idea. But if you hit someone with it, it's gonna hurt.
They want to shake your hand, Judge Fleischer.
Look at this.
He's got some people.
Yeah, nice to guys.
Oh, he's the good one.
Nice to meet you.
It kind of looks like we're from high school. It's kind of like.
Yeah.
These are.
Sure.
These are our. I want a picture too.
I don't even know what Memorial Day is. 2 years.
So, yeah, she can believe it.
That's
Okay, I'm using the picture of the girl who you know, picture.
No, I'm really going to get them out. I don't know.
There we go. Yeah, that's what. Thanks for coming. Yeah, nice to meet you. Guys, thanks for coming. Like you said, there's a trial on Court 2 and Court 3, also the 8th floor. Or you're welcome to hang out here.
I'll take over, so.
Yes, okay.
So,
Yeah.
thank you.
So, it's a, yeah.
Anybody tell you, I saw his twin?
Yeah, of course. Always been distinguished the two. He was not. Yeah. 100% indistinguished. You can check that. Both things.
Hey, hi, Al, ready? What's up?
Your Honor, I am here on Miss Carnea Ferguson. She is here.
Okay,
The state has made a TI offering on her, which you would like to accept.
let's see how old it is. Oof,
It was old.
377 days old.
She was in the room until March 6th, 2026.
Great. What did you offer?
It is, excuse me, a drug and alcohol awareness course in 4 hours of community service.
Wonderful. 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 week.
Yes, sir.
And then if she doesn't have it done, I'm rolling her day for day till she gets it done. Let her know.
Okay.
What are you thinking, stinking?
No, that's no problem. I just connected my calendar for next week.
You can Zoom.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can Zoom from Hawaii, man. We've had it.
Yes,
Really?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Your Honor. Okay, thank you.
Got it.
Your Honor, thank you for that. The kids, by the way. I was on support.
What?
Usually.
Yeah, I wish they'd come in more often. They come in and on Wednesday, man. They've been,
They wanted to see you. Sorry, it's over there.
The choking, they left me. My articles said it's very excellent. So they probably last truly the way it's made, but you get 1 year. No, so like, well, I'm glad it's like 2 fingers in the air instead. Had the maximum. She's got, that would say,
I'm done with that.
Yes.
Shreya, I just signed the dismissal.
Yes.
So if you want a copy.
Okay. And I'm gonna have one more thing coming in.
You said, did you say plea or dismissal?
The end.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. I think, like, Lucas, stuff. All right, so Justin was not done on that day, so.
Dance, action.
Bye, Alan.
Is it for a special event? Like, it's to the wedding. Okay, so you're going to the wedding. And you're, this man, 40 for a.
But I'm just saying, right, I'm.
Is the way. Because like, they must be all. And so, you're just, you guys are on a full check as well. It's just. I went to the wedding day before you guys singing day. The last, I mean, I went to it's like a series wedding, the series wedding. The room just saying, it's a nice song. But I was comfortable. Anything past that, it's just awful.
This one, they have like seven things. I don't know if I said.
And I'm really started. So I also went to a Jewish wedding. I was doing that because when they finished the ceremony, they brought everyone into the ballroom and they laid out the food. So I started eating my food. I got my plate, I put it down. And they're like, okay, now we're going to do all the different dances. So they lifted the hair and we did the circles and all that. But I was like, can I eat first? Like, they get right with me when I do circles. I had to do circles right then. I was hungry. I'm hungry. You can't put food in the room. You're making two circles and wait until I finish my circles before you put the food in the room.
Some people are doing much.
I took my bread before. But we did circles for long.
See, this one, there's the minimum, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Mm-hmm.
No.
That's quite much.
Also, this way,
Is it just the new choreographed dances? It's not gonna be here.
because there was an event for it. It was cheap. Also, I like,
So then these new choreographed dances, including the one are different than the choreographed dances.
Yeah. And then they run the house.
Are you part of the wedding party?
Yeah, I was gonna.
So like you can stand up there for the ceremony. So you're not like this. Anyway. Yes, sir. You don't have to be I don't remember that. I have not thought into no.
Yeah, speaking of which, the witch-o witch, the wicked witch.
There's all, it's 13 API, do that, I do those a million times. You could have done it in time like you last spoke. I mean, it's just, those are the all right. There's a consequence for an action. I mean, that's what is what have the kid take the decision. The 4-year-old, no, the 22-year-old. For one. What you said, what it says, how good is getting that decision from my. That's the defense, right? The self-defense books. I mean, every assault case we ever have, there's some kind of form of self-defense, right? And so you take the case and on a self-defense claim.
There's no reasons. 100% of the cases that come in here are good. And 100% of them have to do something to do with these systems.
No.
Giving you more right now. It shows why you want it. So this is nice.
But the other reason is like, and then I'm not already going to case it, that is capable.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not there. I
Okay.
appreciate that. Well, that's the news of mom.
If you're to work directly locally.
Right. Since some case we've got a violent offense, we have to evaluate whether or not it's a good case. I have taken what you're saying, or we're talking about that approach is very well, because you're be able to push that.
Let's say. The guys will do, ish on the baby mom. To afford the defender.
Yeah. Let's concentrate what he's doing now, and we'll go to the next one.
So like it's all.
We need insurance. This probably got. I mean, because defending this dollar because accomplished her the true. We're gonna if you want. Like who says?
Eric, you ready? Wait on state. Oh, that PSR, thanks. Oh, someone else. You ready? I guess Perez is with you?
President Michael, yes.
Okay.
That is the meeting. We'll call them up, Judge.
Please. Do you need the cause number? Victoria, do you have it?
I have it, Judge.
You got it? Okay. Diana, do you have it?
I do.
You ready?
All right.
261-8533.
853.
3. On a Perez. Perez, you speak English, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you're charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On May 1st, officer conducted a follow-up investigation based on a report from April 11th, 2026, where officer met with a complaining witness who stated that she was in a dating relationship with the defendant, and that they broke up, and she informed him that he cannot contact her in any way. The complainant stated that she then proceeded to block the defendant from all social media accounts and her phone number so he cannot contact her. And the defendant began to send her Zelle transactions, and she knew it was him because his phone number was attached to the transactions. Complainant stated that the Zelle transactions ranged from 5 cents to $20 and a written memo attached to each of them. 3 transactions, and 2 of the 3 had a memo stating that she was no longer willing to answer the Zelle messages, and that the defendant needs to stop contacting her. And then April 10th, she received 4 transactions. April 19th, she received another transaction. May 1st, she received 4 transactions, consisting of memos typed by the defendant saying, "I'm glad you already moved on because you had nothing going for you." Quote, MAGA, quote, "Get gas because you're going to need it." Quote, "Don't send it back. Trump wants you to have it." The complainant stated that she wants to press charges because she cannot remove her phone number from her Zelle account due to the fact of it being a payment method, and she keeps receiving these messages.
Okay. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to find that Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm entering in now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Deep as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is a stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. If you violate this court order, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand? You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. And when I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind, social media, Zelle, anything whatsoever. You do, it's just not going to end well for you. Do you understand? So what do you think for a bond?
Judge, we would ask for a personal bond, and the alternative, if you wanted to go up, we'd ask for 500. He does have a Burnsville bond present today.
What's your position on a PR bond?
We said 500, Judge.
Okay, I'll set your bond at $500. I'll grant you a PR bond today, Mr. Press, but I want you to understand something. Like I said, it's not a revolving door. If I have to revoke your PR bond, I'm going to raise it up and I'm going to make it extremely high. Do you understand? No means no. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care who tells you what. I don't care what party you go to. Do you understand? I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take your seat in Durbucks while we get your bond conditions, while we get your bond ready, and then we'll go from there. All right.
I guess over here first.
Oh, this way.
Are those states?
Yeah, states. So no contact, no weapons, and then yeah, the PR one. So
Just the pre-trial bond conditions?
states.
Okay. Nothing will call me afterwards. Sorry, how is your life?
I usually like.
All right, well, then it's nice to chat.
Mr. Arnsworth. Good morning, sir.
I'm here. It's actually on an off docket matter. The coordinator told me to approach by Zoom on a case.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 2575454. My
Hey,
client is
give me 1 second. Let me get the state. Sean, I think this is your case, actually. This is on Mr. Jones. Tell me when you're ready.
Forward sent it to me. I haven't.
Okay.
I'm sorry, did you do a $500 PR bond or
PR bond.
surety?
Sure, Bob.
Did you?
Yeah.
They were. You were.
This one's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Burr.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, man. Okay, what's the deal, Pickle?
okay. Judge, my client was approved for a DWI PTI program. He contacted me last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. And he can't afford to do the program and pay, I guess, his living expenses. And he wanted to see about getting out of the program and just pleading to a time served on the DWI.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
State, what do you guys think?
Let me talk to my chief about it.
Mr. Hyde, what do you think?
That's fine, no.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's opposed to it, and we're all okay with it.
Okay,
Just
Judge.
probably the sooner you bring him, the sooner he gets done with it and can get everything removed and be done with it at one time. So we're at your mercy when you want to bring him, you know?
Oh, okay, Judge. Well, I'll reach out to the coordinator and see if we can get on the docket and come in and get the plea done.
Okay. Just tell me, you want to tell me, just tell me now?
You
know?
I can reach out to him if
No,
he's
okay, take your time. I thought you already knew when. No, take your
No, I
time.
don't know yet, Judge.
Whatever you want. Just email
Okay.
her and then we can put it on for when you want.
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Did something happen on Robinson's case upstairs? What's going on with that?
No, it's pending. It's not indicted yet.
How long's it been? It's been 6 months? No.
Yeah.
They have to indict it within 6 months.
I believe it was from February and he got charged in March.
Oh, that's right. Right. It's only, okay. So you don't want to wait to see if there's a global, I guess? Is this what he wants to
I
do?
did walk to it and Mr. Robinson wants to take this plea again.
Your advice? You want me to make a docket notation?
Yes, and he'll agree to it. He wants it.
Okay.
Yes. So the document.
He's in the driver's seat. Was there any restitution that's owed in the theft?
No, recovered. But I can verify.
Okay. Well, no, if you're telling me, then I.
It was Target.
Okay. Is anyone from the family here now?
Yes.
Who's here?
Charles's mother is.
Or who's here for Mr. Robinson? Come up, man. Are you mom? You mom?
She's not here. No, that's your law. I thought she said he said my mom's here.
No. You are mom? So council has advised not to do this because perhaps they can work some kind of global resolution with everything. It might take a little bit more time. Mr. Robinson, a theft case is probably one of the worst cases that you can get on your record. You know, once you're branded a thief, it becomes really hard to get a job. People look down on you all the time just because they know if you're a convicted thief, there's a good possibility that you might steal from them. You understand? You don't want to wait to see if there's something global that could happen with everything?
Do you want to wait or something? You want to wait and you don't want to take the justice? Okay. Okay.
What's going on with Mr. Robinson now? And well, so prior to the aggravated robbery, was he living with you? What was he doing?
He was back home, he was in school, doing everything he needed to do.
What the heck happened? You know?
It was the time period where we lost him a little. And then we got him on board, but then in that period, yeah, so this other charge was before all of this. It was, he may have already seen you, but they didn't charge him with it until the day before his court, which was March.
How do we, have you guys spoken about bonding out?
So, yeah, so the gun here is way too high. It comes to put with the oven, so it's putting them at like 70.
I understand, right, I understand.
Right.
My problem is, and if we do a lower bond, how are we going to ensure that he doesn't pick up a fourth case?
So he had a monitor. He was never not where he was supposed to be. He was in school Monday through Friday, and he was home. I'm not gonna stay here until he wasn't home and he was.
Are you working at this time? Do you work?
I work, but I get off at 5 p.m. I also have cameras. He also was under a monitor. They cannot say he was not going from Travis High School back to my.
So Judge, and
I don't want you to plead guilty just to get out.
and that's what he's doing.
That's the rub. I don't want you to plead guilty to get out. But I gotta know that my public is safe because I'm going to protect it at all costs. And it scares me, the things that continue to happen. Do you understand? Jail sucks. And I hope at a minimum, you will have seen all the old timers in there to see all the people that come in and out and in and out of jail that make it a lifetime. There are way too many people in this life that are just a statistic because they keep going in and out. And the problem is when you hang with dogs, you get fleas, as you now see, because you can just be with the wrong person and you become a co-conspirator, meaning that you are part of the whole shebang, even though you didn't want, you didn't intend. Had you known, you wouldn't have gone. Nevertheless, when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Do you understand, Mr. Robinson? How long has he been in custody now?
77.
That's right.
The thing is that if I were to test you now, there's a very big possibility that you would test negative for marijuana or anything. I'm going to lower your bond now, but I'm going to tell you, if I find that you test positive for weed one time into jail, you will go back. And I'm telling you now, I'm not going to sit here and do this again. Do you understand? You will be given a strict curfew of school and home. No hanging out with any friends, no going to after school dances, no going to basketball, whatever, nothing. You go to school and you go home. You understand? Because if not, there's only one place you're gonna go. And you know now, when we put a bond high, you're stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? What do you want?
Would you do?
$19,000 here, and I know that he's bond forfeited twice.
I don't want him to end up with just another conviction, just pleading guilty to get out. And I'm willing to help you, and I want to, but it has to be on both ends. I need your help as well. I can't do this alone because I don't want him just to plead guilty, to just end up with a conviction to get out. I will give you a low bond with the understanding that you and I are on the same page, that he gets a monitor prior to release. He's stuck at home. He cannot go out to parties. He cannot go out to, well, I don't know.
Judge, we just want to make sure the bonds, give that commission comes back since he didn't twice. Bond forfeited twice.
He'll have a monitor on his ankle. Why don't you guys talk? Figure it out. I'm happy to do whatever works with you.
Very big. Probation office for your year now. What was good as a class B? Other than that. Okay. Okay. That's good. I'm just. Okay, that's good. So let me know. Thanks, Shannon. Oh, yeah, that's not. Oh, sorry, guy, Laura is going to. Just come just there. Oh, and so it's fun.
We started with more
Okay.
Judge, may I approach?
Yeah.
Yes. Sounds good though. Thanks, sir.
Trey, what do you think?
Would you guys look at $1,000 bond? I think it's 40 up there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Oh, I saw 25 though.
just no, it's 25.
Sorry, it's 25. I just need 40 gold. I don't know if they're even gonna make it, I'm gonna be honest, but they're gonna try to put together the bond money.
I'm okay with that.
1,000?
Yeah.
And that's a big hit for this guy.
Yeah, I get it. But
I understand, and we've talked about it, and they are, and we are all on the same page.
so we need proof of enrollment within a week of release.
A school?
I want him to be in school. That's
Yeah.
the point.
And he was in
So-
school, I think school ends in 2 weeks. I don't know if they'll take him for a week, but
Oh, no, you're right. Damn
I
it.
mean, I'll try.
No. I think you're right. It's pointless to try to.
Maybe I think, and I'm still gonna talk to him about summer school and stuff like that.
So, right, come on up. So what
Trey is lit, it's going on, I'm not sure what they're gonna go to, he's gonna improve. for so long.
What do we do for the summer?
So he's gonna be home, he has curfew unless he's able to get a job.
That's what-
We can put him in the summer program for school, to sort of make that kind of balance. I can reach out to the school and find out where he's at with that,
But but a job may be a great idea as well, you know, you just, when they have too much time on their hands, they just get into, you know, something to occupy his time, whether school or work. And I'm willing to do the $1,000 bound on each case, you know, only want him to be productive. That's all I want, and no marijuana. That's it. So, okay. Just a GPS prior to release with the understanding that,
yes.
you know,
School or work.
school or work,
then-
full-time,
And
or I guess-
Sarah's actually really good on it.
I guess part-time because
Okay.
he's young. I mean, I don't think we can expect him to work full-time, but
And it's $1,000 bond on each charge too.
No.
yeah, I don't want him to just plead guilty to get out. I mean, really,
That's what I appreciate.
on both cases, correct, right.
Okay, and then can I get a regular set on it? Because felony is like set for tomorrow, and then after the indictment.
Absolutely.
Alright.
And then, you know, what I would say is after that, let's start putting him on the same day.
Yeah.
So just stay in touch with, so that we can put the days on the same day, so you don't have to keep coming and going on different days. That way it's more efficient for you guys. Okay, all right, good luck, man.
Thank you, boss. Okay, got it.
Yes, like, so, you know.
Okay, no worries. No, 17. Oh, that is huge. It's great.
You're the one.
Yeah, I'm so pretty.
You working? Okay.
Yes.
No, that's. Shreya, have you ever been to a wedding where it's
Every way. My own way.
You had choreographed, how many? Are you doing that factory work?
Of course, you have dance. I'm trying to do change.
Oh, they're like excluded from the dance.
You're otherwise you will. I was one day after they.
Do you like it though? You know it?
No.
Oh, man. Fascinating. Did anyone like it, or is it kind of like a culture that is forced to dance? That's the is.
Yeah, he's like a little bit more than we are. That was, he was standing.
Did it make you uncomfortable? Is that what you wore for the wedding?
No, God.
No, I can't.
It was a construction. That's on it. It's taken all of the.
Oh, you can Google things. I'm sorry. Yeah.
So the one more.
Sitting off in front of the
Hey, Victoria, you ready?
Bottom of eight. Just put it on radar.
Yes.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Papa cake teams was a required appearance.
Yeah, 5001.
Page 21. Is council Zoom on? Okay, well, they have a validate today. So
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Yeah.
Bottom of 27. Show up, and Charles.
For,
Yeah, so, she hasn't presented positive for amphetamines, but she does have, prescriptions on file, so we would need to wait for the lab to confirm if it was positive.
how long is it gonna take the lab to get back?
Estimate about a week.
Okay, yeah, so let's put it on for a week to get the lab back.
So your husband's Pakistani.
I'll let council know when he comes back.
Sure.
Page 29 was an arraignment, how to appear to bonds posted.
5002.
Okay.
So you have to do them.
All.
We don't need to let that. Was it Florence? It's a few out cheap. Yeah, see, that's the other. No. They always have to put a patent over the whole, which you think it happened. You this shit make that.
It's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's not very long, right? This is my wife. No, seriously, I mean, she doesn't know. She said, "Oh, it's no way." What you're doing, I don't have to be on the opinions. You know, your closet. No, right? No, she just. What is this? You know, and also everything the prescription.
Hey, on gray, all conditions continue as they were.
Yeah. They can have these things back. Let's say finish one. Yes, because I'm going to buy them cities. It looks like he currently has the GPS in the spread and he's compliant.
Right. Okay.
All over the place.
Alright, go ahead and second.
Yeah.
Ask for that.
No, I don't.
And put up, print it out and you can.
Edge. Who's,
Now, push up and then we go.
yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Where are we headed with Miss Wall?
It's no problem. They, reset it for a week, so.
Sure. Do we have an agreement?
Oh, Ms. Wall, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Judge. Yeah, we have an agreement for her to pay restitution, complete the anger management class, and case will be dismissed.
Great.
So
Okay.
she told me she's going to get done today.
Oh, wonderful. Well, soon as she gets done, soon as she's done, right?
So
Yeah.
that's it. I gave her the restitution bill, so she's
Okay.
gonna pay that.
Great.
And she's gonna do the anger management tonight.
Yeah.
Okay,
But we reset the case for her.
sure.
Have another one, Stephen Taylor, he's in custody. Really old case, he bond forfeited, he's finally back, picked up. I believe he has evading and the DWI, felony evading and DWI.
Okay,
I don't know what you do in this situation.
right. I would say just give it a week or two, find out what is happening in the felony court.
I think the felony court date is in June sometime, right?
Yes, you're right. I guess set it after if you want. Yeah. Hey, so GPS prior to release on Mr. Taylor, because he's a flight risk, no alcohol, no drugs. Does he have a license?
He does, Judge, let me check if I'm really good.
Well, he has 2 prior intox mans.
2 separate.
Well, 2 counts of it at least. I got this.
It's eligible.
It's eligible? Okay. Yeah, whatever you want. If he bonds out, he's got to stay, we'll give him a GPS prior to release. Just,
He's at no bond and felony right now.
yeah, I get it. So, but they may at some point give him one. So I guess,
All right,
Yeah.
so we'll come back to
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
okay, take care of him.
You too, Judge.
Hi, good morning.
Find you great.
Yes. Where are we headed with Mr. Gray?
So on him, today, he's,
The Dutch bond.
Yes, we're going to redo the bond conditions today.
Yes.
But nevertheless, it's 160 days, I think. If I'm, let me see, make sure. It's 160 days. So application was submitted. Was the application submitted?
Yes, Judge, it was.
Do we know?
I'm
Great.
review it right now.
Okay. Give us about 2 minutes and we'll see. Mr. Gray, if you don't mind just taking a seat real quick.
Yes. Efficient.
Did you say he's a student?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Got it. If it's a yay, then we'll send him to go do a TRAS now. If it's a nay, we'll give you a couple weeks to, you guys decide what you want to do. Okay? Do you have anyone else in that?
No.
Oh, who's gentleman back there?
Mr. He's waiting on the council Brooklyn. But it's not.
No, okay, sit down. Okay.